Well, hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and today I have a question for you. How many of you have started a garden with your children yet? Well, I know that this corona quarantine is frustrating, and I know that isn't something we had planned on, but this is a great time to do a garden, even if it's a garden on your deck or a few containers where your children can plant things, where they can get their hands in the dirt, where they can watch something grow. So I did a garden, a very simple garden, with my grandchildren, so stay tuned. First, we began by pulling out the old broccoli and getting the soil off the roots to get ready for our next vegetable. Okay, boys, we're going to take these old broccoli. Let's take them to my compost bin. Come on. Come on, y'all. Everybody's got some? Let's see. Yeah, we'll put them in the compost bin. Good. Stuff it down in there. Come on, Eli. Can you get it in there? All right, Liz, you got yours in? Look at my garden gang here. Lizzie's got the big shovel. Come on, Ethan are digging away here. Let your kids get some gardening in. It's fun. Okay, there you go. All right, now turn it over. Now go to another spot, Ethan.
What do you mean by turning it? Like,
we have to dig in the ground. Look, watch Lizzie. There, then just turn it over.
I'm gonna lift it and then like.
Or watch your feet, Liz.
Like it.
Okay. They turned this section over. They worked hard. Now we're gonna plant. Are you ready to plant, y'all?
Yeah!
Give me a thumbs up. All right. Okay, so see how my lettuce is very dry and wilted. So what we've got to do is before you put your seedlings in, make sure it's really watered well. And when you also plant anything else, you have to make sure, like this cabbage, that it's watered well too. All right, Elias, put it in the hole. Good. Mimi's gonna cover this one up. Okay. Whoa, see we get the soil around there. What did we say that was? It was like a little blanket, wasn't it?
Can I dig holes?
Nope. All right, it's time for Ethan. Okay, Elias, hold it up right here. Okay, put it in this hole. All right, are you videoing, Liz? Okay, so you scoop the soil around it, Ethan. Good job.
So what do we need this?
All right, I'm gonna let you do one with trowel. Doesn't that smell good? Oh, it smells so good. I bet it's cedar.
And it smells like a type of.
It smells like a tree. Well, cedar is a tree. All right, we got our holes nice and deep. All right, now whenever you take the plants out of here, you have to be very gentle. All right. Oh, this one has two. All right, go ahead and put that one in there. Okay, Elias, do you want to cover it up? Okay, Elias, come on, come put some soil around it. Yeah, give it a little blanket. There you go. Okay, and then you can do the next one. Okay, let's see. Okay, put this one in the hole. All right, Elias, you want to cover it up?
Sure.
There you go. All right.
A little bit.
Good. Oh, yeah, give it a blanket. Okay.
You always say that.
I know. So we have two in this particular cell. I'm going to gently break those apart. Go ahead and zoom in on here. You'll break those apart because they'll be too big to grow together. Just be gentle. Make sure, see how dry my soil is? Make sure you water it well once you get your plant in. Okay? All right, Ethan, put this one in. There you go. All right, I'm going to cover that one up.
Like a blanket.
And the last one. Ethan, go ahead. Okay, why are we putting that tag there, Elias?
Guys.
So that tells us what we're growing. What does it say? Ethan, can you tell?
Cabbage.
It's cabbage. Now, we know what cabbage looks like, but sometimes there's other plants that look like cabbage. All right, we're gonna get ready to plant some lettuce. Okay, the girls got to plant the lettuce. So we got it out of the container. It's a little tricky. I did that. Okay, all right, girls, back up just a little so we can see what you're doing there. Go ahead. Okay, we got one more to put in. Here, let's put this one in down by you. There. See, they're a little wilted. We've got to get them watered in. Good job, Liz. Okay. You got to get the boys in on this. Dig away. There you go. Good jump. Oh, good. Okay, push the shovel back. Yeah. So, look down here. So, I'm going to get both sides of this pallet turned over so that we can get some seeds in there. All right.
I'm just going to keep it like this.
And I could even, if I wanted to, look under there, I could even plant some lettuce or something in under there if I'd like to. Fill this garden up. Like I could put radishes under there, all kinds of things. Okay, so boys, you're gonna put them in the ground. See how I'm doing it? Put them in the ground. There you go. There you go. Good, Eli. Ooh, good job, boys. Okay, try to put them beside each other.
Did all mine.
You did all yours? Okay.